you're meant to go to bed, but you're gonna make cake with Sockie, which could be very quiet because Papa's about to put you, to bed, but you can come with me, okay? Okay, come. We're making chocolate cupcakes! Yeah. Oh, milk, yeah. First thing to make the chocolate cupcakes is we actually do need 2 eggs. It's the first step. So you know we just gonna always add the eggs first? We actually need them first. Okay. Oh, wait. Here you go. Now crack it. 2 hands. Yay! Good boy.
Good man.
Now we have 2 eggs.
I think it's here.
Oh, look at him. He's like saying what you have to add next, but we don't need butter next. He's like, sorry, I stuffed up. Now you'll need 200 grams of white sugar. Put it on. Thank you. Yay. Here, sugar. No butter, no. Butter later. We gotta wait for butter. Pour 200 grams of sugar, Disco. Alright, I gotta get a spoon. We gotta remove some. We need, what do we need?
Yeah.
Butt cream! No, we don't. Haha, I was just trying to be funny. We need oil.
You cookie. Good.
Pour the oil in. Oh, I thought you were gonna spill that, and that would have been so bad to clean up. Good job. Put this in the sink. Now we got that, oil, sugar, eggs. Time for vanilla.
Hello! Everybody's here.
1 teaspoon vanilla. Perfect. And tip it. Good boy. More vanilla? You know what? Yeah, I reckon too. We do need a bit more vanilla. Tip it in. Good boy. I proudly present you the whisk. In a separate bowl, we're going to measure out dry ingredients. That's going to be my job, because you got that thing. That's why I did that one first, and then he's entertained while I do this. It's called being smart and thinking ahead of time. I love you, you love me, we are perfect. Ha-ma-na-na-na-na-ni. 190 grams of flour going in. 65 grams of cocoa powder. Do you want to see the chocolate powder? This is chocolate powder. I'm just gonna try it first, see if it's safe. Okay. 65 grams. Now I need half a teaspoon of the raising agent stuff. Half a teaspoon of that. Alright, Disco, I'll put this out of the way. It's time for you to sieve it. Like that. Can you do that? Good boy, that's it. This is like the baby way of sieving. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Next thing we have to do is add half the wet ingredients and half the buttermilk, 250 milliliters of buttermilk. That's what we need. Let me get that cup. We want more milk? I'm done. Please pour 200 milliliters of buttermilk. Yeah, buttermilk. Look at that. Good job, Disc.
Wow.
Now this is a bit of a tricky part. You gotta add half of these wet ingredients into the dry mix. Can you do that?
Yes!
Good. Is that your wife? Well, careful. No, this is for the icing. I just did that purely for a kiss. Mixing time. Are you excited to eat these chocolate cakes and make icing?
Wow.
Look at that, he's going really, really good. Do you like cake?
Like cake?
Yeah, no, do you like cake?
Like cake?
Yes, I like cake. Do you like cake?
Like cookie cake?
Disco, you spilled some.
Sorry, Cookie.
Oh. Add the rest of the wet ingredients. Oh, I have never made a recipe this fast with this guy. I feel like we're working together a lot more, making stuff faster, which I love. I'll mix it and then we can try it.
Tummy? Cookie tummy?
Yeah, and disco tummy. Look at that epic chocolate cake mixture. I haven't tried it yet, but it looks very heavenly. It almost looks like my vegan brownie mixture. Remember I made those? Yummy?
Yummy?
Yeah. That's good, he likes it. You need to stop eating it. Disco, disco.
Yeah, disco.
Eating cake batter.
Yeah, disco.
Telling lies. Open your mouth. Oh, disco. Disco, you wiped it on your shirt and on your mouth. I gotta clean you up.
I'm gonna try.
You're gonna try?
Try.
Did I say?
Okay. Three.
Okay, good. You said please.
Cookie.
No, you can have it.
Yummy.
Okay, now I have got some muffin trays which we're gonna put cupcake lines in. Fill that batter if there's any left. I think it's gonna be all gone.
Hello, Cookie.
Hello, Disco. I gotta clean you up again.
Good Cookie.
Yeah, good Disco. You'll say please, Sockie.
Cookie.
Give me a kiss. Thank you. And I have one too. And you can't tell Mum? Thank you. That sounds great to me. Eat it over the bowl. I get one. So Disco, what's been your favourite part about making cupcakes so far? Eating? Okay. And I can smell something, and it's not the cupcakes that are baking. No, it isn't that. It's this guy. He's done poo-poo. Yeah, you're gonna have to lie down. I'm gonna change your nappy.
Beep. Beep.
Very interesting. Yes, yes.
Cupcake.
Let's take a look at the cupcakes. Oh, it's all fogged up. First thing you need is some softened butter to make this chocolate buttercream icing.
Yeah, come around.
Disco, since I have to beat it, you can film. You film.
Ew.
Thank you. Yeah, good boy. Now it's time for sugar. I'm just gonna like roughly measure it, but if you want a proper icing recipe, maybe look at one.
I make it
Cakes are on a cooling rack. That icing looks like there's a bunch of fine rocks in here. I don't know what's happened. I have added more icing sugar and more butter since this needs to be a big icing batch because we have a lot of cupcakes and us Norris nuts we love. I love icing on our cake, and Disco's favourite part of the cake is icing.
Wow.
Oh, it's a big bite. Whoa, so cool. We did it. Look at that bowl of icing. This is yours. And you gotta do it like this. Ready? Wait, hold it. And you push. Wow. Good job. No, not eating. You gotta put icing on all of them. Here, you put icing on. What? Oh, doesn't it work? Say ah. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. How's your knuckles?